Alright, so we got the washer going. The light's kind of blinding there, but you can see this thing has tons of options. There is a ton of options on these guys. They run very efficient, quiet, and super fast. Coolest thing is they will spin those clothes almost dry, and that way it makes for a lot shorter dry time, which helps on utilities and helps your laundry go through just faster. It's auto sensing, so it knows how big the load is, and both of these are in excellent shape. So it's doing its thing right now. I just want to show you on the dryer here. It fires up as well. So they look really sharp sitting next to each other. Of course, I got this one all hooked up. If you can see, like this button here, this start button had started to crack along here. And so as a preventative measure from getting dust or anything down inside of there, that's just a little felt pad, but it doesn't affect anything at all. It's just to kind of protect it. A little preventative measure there. But yeah, the dryer runs really nice, really well. I don't know what my phone is doing, but you can't even hardly hear it running. They both operate like brand new. Of course, we'll move the clothes over there so you can hear it with a full load of clothes. And it heats really, really well. Does a really good job heating. Light works, everything works, and it's got a real strong door latch too. So, okay, we'll come back to the spin cycle on that washer, and then we'll move everything over to the dryer and finish this video up. All right, getting closer here on this washer. It is in the rinse cycle. It's just about done, just about ready to kick over to the spin cycle. And here it goes, getting up to its top speed. Which on these cabrios is extremely fast. These clothes come out just about dry. And I'll show you as soon as it's done before we move them over to the dryer here. It is finishing up. We're going to move these clothes over to the dryer. Okay. It is unlocked. Go ahead and grab out a pair of jeans. Excellent. Nice and light. Absolutely no excess water in these whatsoever. Okay, got that load moved over to the dryer, and it sounds great. It's not off balance or shaking or anything. It's in excellent condition. Go ahead and open it up here so you can see. Nice and bright on the inside. It's very hot. Doing an excellent job. Huge capacity. It makes that load look so small in there. Start her back up. So both of these work great. They're in excellent condition, and we'll get them listed up for sale. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and now that you know that both units work perfectly, if you're interested, go ahead and reach out to us and we can set up a meet. Thank you very much.